Let's see how to make a poster using Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now to create a poster, you first have to set the layout of your poster. So what you can do is you head on over to Layout tab. Now click on Size and set the size of your poster. And then the next thing you can do is head on over to the design. Now right here, you can set the page color as well as the different colors and the fonts of your poster. And additionally, you can head on over to the Insert tab where you can insert pictures, shapes, or even icons. And lastly, you can also draw manually to really create a personal vibe for your poster. However, aside from all that, a basic way you can make a poster in Microsoft Word is by clicking on the File tab. Now click on More Templates and simply search for Poster. And as you can see here, Microsoft Word has a lot of different posters that you can choose from. Now let's click on one, Real Estate Poster. Click on Create, and that will open a new document that is basically already a poster. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.